Okay, 10b. Again, there's many ways of doing this one. We'll do what the book says by moving the origin here, but other than that, we'll just go ahead and do it our way. So what we'll do is we'll move the origin to above your name, then we'll offset this line over 4.75 to get the location of this line, and then we're going to offset this line up 2.5, and then where those two lines meet, that's where we're going to start a rectangle to draw a 6 by 4. No, actually, yeah, it's a 6 by 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and get your last one open, and let's go ahead and get started on this one. So we're going to offset 4.75 and 2.5. This is called a window hinge plate. Window hinge plate. So I'm going to change that. This is 10B. Go ahead and erase this other stuff here. Okay, so our origin's already there, so we'll just leave it there. Go back to object. Okay, so this line, we're going to offset 4.75. So O, enter, 4.75, enter. Click on this line, click to the right. The other line we had to move up was up 2.5. So offset this line up 2.5. O, enter, 2.5, enter. Click on it, click up. Now we have the location of our rectangle. Click on line. Click here. I'm going to come over 6. Make sure that ortho's on. 6 by 4. Come back 6. And come back to where you started. Now we can go ahead and erase those lines we offsetted. Okay, looking at this drawing now. Okay, so to get the location of this big circle, it's actually in the midpoint of those. So we're going to just offset this line halfway of 6, which is 3. So we're going to offset this line over 3. And then we'll draw our circle of diameter 2. So watch this. Offset 3. O, enter. 3, enter. Come over here. Click on circle. Go to the midpoint. And then it's a diameter one. So it's D, enter. And then, what was the size of that? That was 2. 2, enter. Okay, so I can get rid of that now. Take a look here. Okay, these small circles. Looks like they offset to the side line over 1. Same thing, side line over 1. And then the bottom up 0.75. And looks like the top down 0.75. So they offset the sides 1. And the top and the bottom, they offset at 0.75. So let's go ahead and do that. So the sides come in 1. O, enter. 1, enter. Okay. The tops and bottoms come in 0.75. O, enter. 0.75, enter. Okay, we got the location of those small circles. Let's see how big they are. They're actually, see that 4x means I have 4 of them. Okay. So they're actually diameter 0.75. So let's go ahead and put those in. Circle. Click here. D, enter, 0.75. Once you have one of them, you can just go ahead and copy it. But make sure when you copy it, you bring it from the center and bring it to the lines right here. Okay. Go ahead and erase those lines. And we got the shape of it done. Now all we have to do is do the dimensions, which actually take just as much time. So let's see how they put the dimensions on. I'm going to go back to dim and see what they got here. Okay, so they got 4.75 and then 2.5, and they got the 4. So let's go ahead and do that. So they went from here to here, brought it down, looks a little bit. Oh, let's go ahead and use that dimension text set to bring it down. Okay. And then they went from here to here, they brought it out, and then they went again. Looks like they lined it up. Okay, this one here is missing one of them, right? So what does that mean? It means I have to come back here, override, and unsuppress that line. Close and update it. Okay, so it looks like this one worked out pretty good because this one here is already suppressed and this line is already suppressed. So that actually saved me some time. Okay, let's see what else we have to do for the dimensions. We got 3. Remember this 3 one here? You're going to go endpoint to center and then you're going to bring it down. So let's get those two. Endpoint to center. There it is. Bring it down. Actually, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. I want to get more space. I'm going to bring this one down a little bit more too. Get some more room. Okay, now we're going to go from here to here, and we'll bring it down this far like that. Okay, let's take a look at the right side now. 0.75 for this one, you're going to go endpoint to center, and then you're going to bring it out. And then this 2.5 looks like they went from center to center and brought it out. So let's get those two. So they went from endpoint to center, they brought it out this way. Repeat linear, center to center, and they brought it out. Okay, so what can we do with this one? I don't know if that's in there. Yeah, they forced it in there. Okay? So again, use this dimension text edit button. Click on it and force that inside. I'm going to light it up just like that. Okay, so just like that. Alrighty, let's see what else we have to get. Any more linear dimensions? Okay, 2 more. So the 1 and then the 4. So from here to here, and then they went, I think actually from here to here. Yeah. Okay, looks good. Looks like we got the linear ones taken care of. Linear, yep, good. Okay, now what we have to do is get the 2 diameter dimension buttons. So this one's going to be straightforward. You just click on the diameter dimension button, you click on a circle, and you drag it out. This one with the 4x, we're going to have to do something else to that. So let's go ahead and first put the diameter dimension buttons on both of them, and then we'll come back and put the 4x on that one. Okay, diameter dimension button, or dimension diameter. Click on this one. Let's bring this one out. Repeat diameter dimension. Bring this one out. And remember, this one's got a 4x. So here's how you add the 4x. You're going to go ED and enter. So ED is for edit dimension. Click on it. And then notice how it lights up. And you can just type in the 4x space. Click OK. Z enter, A enter. Alright. I think that's it. Double check one last time. Yeah, looks good. Okay, I think we got it. So go ahead and save it.